Good morning, everybody. It is March 2nd, and this is our plan of attack. It is how I am looking to trade 0 days to expiration SPX options, basically scalping credit spreads and trade ES futures. All right, so kind of in a tricky spot. So big picture, the way I like to do this is I look big picture and I narrow it down to a 5 minute and how I wish to trade it. That is where I get my edge, basically a multi-time frame alignment, if you will. All right, so big picture. I was team bull, but the market, well, I don't know. Like I was team bull. I have a lot of conflicting analysis going on, and I'll show them right here, and they will all play a factor in today's day trade. So we're below what I am calling the bear market point of control, meaning this is where the most volume has transacted since the bear market. We're right below it, and this is at 39.72. We're below the 50-day SMA, where you keep on flirting with the 200-day SMA, and this is on the ES futures. And there's one other little kicker right here. Let me pull it up. All right, we have an anchored VWAP. We have an anchored VWAP from the day that the market was supposed to crash, and I did a quick wick down and then rallied ever since then up. Now, why is this important? So anchored VWAP, it's you anchor the average weighted price to a certain time frame. And to me, this is basically the ultimate moving average, right? It acts as moving average, but it calculates all the buyers and sellers since given times. All right, since the market has been going down, this anchored VWAP was the last time I believe CPI came out that day. This day it flushed lower and then got all crazy. And then this is the last swing low since we started the rally in the bear market. So the easiest way to describe this and really digest it, if you're not really sure what it means, is in this entire time frame right here, who's in control? At the moment, it is the buyers because we're below it, or sorry, above it. If we start to break this black dotted line, the sellers are now in control since the last rally. And then in that case, if we do get back into this channel below this anchored VWAP, and we're already below the year-to-date VWAP and the VWAP from the last swing high, or the last lower high, then you can't deny that we're probably going to come back down. But me personally, I would like to see this level hold and then look to take it back up and get back through those key levels, and we push back up. Everything's happy in the world, but it doesn't matter what I want. But all that being said, we are hitting the anchored VWAP, and this is the line in the sand where the buyers have been in control since this last rally back in October. And so here we are. Who's going to win? So this leads me to have a bullish and bearish scenario for today's day. There's one other thing I want to point out here. All right, so the ES, this is my 10x bars on steroids where I have high of low bar and low of high bar arrows. Basically, all it means is, so we're coming down to support. We are printing a high of low bar arrow. What does that mean? Basically, it means this candle right here pierced the 21 price bar channel low, basically made a swing low, and the next candle, from a price action technical analysis standpoint, is breaking the high. That usually triggers a reversal, and at this point on the 4-hour time frame is we could start a reversal to the daily 21 or sorry, the 4-hour 21 EMA. So 4-hour time frame, looking for a reversal to the 21 EMA, which is at basically 39.70. Remember that number, 39.70. I'm going to say it a lot today, 39.70. Okay, now let's go over to the 30-minute. 30-minute is building a squeeze that is starting to move higher at the 21 EMA on the 30-minute time frame, right? So this could start to rotate this way. Actually, I'll do this. Rotate like this, and then it could go light blue after that. So looking for the 30-minute squeeze to go higher off of this anchored VWAP level. And last but not least, we go to the hourly time frame. The hourly time frame, the hourly 21 EMA is going to be the first, I'll say, struggle. Hopefully it gets above it before they open. But if it, oh, excuse me, sorry, apparently I was supposed to breathe. um, Okay, so the hourly 21 EMA, if we get above that, which is at 39.50, then I think we can start to move higher from this level. Because like big, so let me take a step back here. So anchor VWAP is down here in this shaded area. And this shaded area that I have right here is also this little HVA level from a monthly time frame, which is right here. And also the anchored VWAP is rolling right here, right? So we have the anchored VWAP, we have this trend line, we have this HVA, we have a lot of things saying that price potentially should bounce here, right? So that has me leaning on the bullish side. Yes, I know we're down a little bit right now, but it doesn't mean price can't bounce. So, and we're also printing the high of low bar indicating technical analysis. The price action is reverting back higher. All right, cool. So there's all that. And then how do I wish to trade it then? Now that I pointed all out that we have support, we have anchored VWAP down here, and point of control is up at 39.70. So let's go ahead and talk about it. So point of control is at 39.70 by bear market point of control. The 4-hour 21 EMA is at 39.70. And then also, let me move this on over. 39.70 lines up with the daily 5 EMA as well, and then it's right before the hourly 50 EMA. So in a nutshell, the reason I'm saying 39.70, I think that is going to be the extent of the upside move if we get it today, unless some crazy short squeeze happens. All right, so now that I broke it all down, how do I wish to trade it? I hope that all made sense. If that made absolutely no sense, please feel free to ask questions in the comment section and let me know if it didn't make sense. If it did make sense, let me know what part of it clicked. I would like to know what is clicking with this information. All right, so I want to get this here. So we have the anchored VWAP, right? Boop, kiss anchored VWAP. We do have a voodoo snow line right here. And then you see how it's bouncing off of that trend line. So we do have that 30-minute squeeze going on. I would like to see this 30-minute squeeze slingshot to the upside. We get a buy arrow right here. And so this would be big picture, 30-minute time frame pushing higher. All right, you already see that the trend rotation is already starting to go bullish. We've already got buy signals here. And we're at 30-minute 21 EMA above VWAP. All right, so this is how I look to do it. This is my plan of attack. Get this back here. Okay, so bullish scenario. We're already here. I would like the open to happen. We get a push up, get a little bit of a pullback, and at that time, the VWAP in 30-minute 20-minute EMA would be here. We get buy arrows, and then buy that pullback. But be mindful of this zone right here because this is going to be the level where I think price is going to stall. Basically 39.65 to 39.70. Bearish scenario. Say the market's not done selling off and wants to go lower. What I would like to see is price oscillate here. We break down, right? And then we will rally, get our sell signals, and then take it back down. It's really a buy the dip or sell the rip type of scenario based off what we're getting. But I like the bullish play, like I said, based off of that anchored VWAP right here. That would like a slingshot 30-minute squeeze form, and then the larger time frames are starting to move higher. But 39.70 to 39.65-ish may be the end of the top end. So that's what I would like today for the plan of attack. I hope this all made sense. If it did, please let me know. If it didn't, also let me know. And I will try to pass it on in a easy, digestible way. Have an awesome day, everybody, and good luck. And I will see you again tomorrow. Take care.